Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming what you have: an Xbox model, a high-speed HDMI cable, and a free HDMI input on the TV. Plug the Xbox power brick or cable into a live wall outlet. Make sure the outlet is not switched off. Next, insert the HDMI cable firmly into the console's HDMI OUT port and leave the other end ready. Once done, turn on the TV last so it can detect the console's signal during initial handshake. This speeds setup and avoids noise. With cables connected, power the Xbox first so it initializes, then switch the TV to the corresponding HDMI input. You'll often see an auto-detect prompt. Accept it if resolution and refresh rate look correct. If the display is off or black, try a different HDMI port or change the Xbox output to 1080p to test. For audio, choose TV speakers or an AVR. Go into Settings, General Volume and Audio Output to route sound correctly and avoid latency. Finish by completing the Xbox guided setup. Sign in, connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and install system updates so performance and compatibility are current. Then fine-tune display settings, turn HDR on or off, set refresh rate to match your TV, and fix overscan if edges are cut off. Make sure controller sync and audio are verified before gameplay. If you see no signal or poor image, swap the HDMI cable or use another TV input. That single swap fixes most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.